In which year was the first computer virus discovered? A. 1986. Who is considered the father of the computer? C. Charles Babbage. Which company introduced the first commercially successful personal computer? B. IBM. What was the name of the first electronic general-purpose computer? A. ENIAC. Which year saw the introduction of the World Wide Web to the public? B. 1991. Who co-founded Apple Inc. alongside Steve Jobs? B. Steve Wozniak. What was the first video game commercially released? A. Pong. Which programming language was the first to be used widely for commercial applications? B. COBOL. Who is credited with inventing the World Wide Web? A. Tim Berners-Lee. What was the name of the first handheld mobile phone? A. Motorola Dynatac. What does CPU stand for? C. Central Processing Unit. Which type of storage device has no moving parts? B. Solid-state drive. What does RAM stand for? B. Random access memory. Which of the following is used to connect devices wirelessly to a network? B. Bluetooth. What does GPU stand for? B. Graphics Processing Unit. Which device is used to input information into a computer? C. Keyboard. What does SSD stand for in relation to storage devices? A. Solid-state drive. Which type of port is commonly used to connect external hard drives to a computer? C. USB port. What does HDMI stand for? A. High-definition multimedia interface. Which component of a computer is responsible for displaying graphics on the screen? C. Graphics card. What is an operating system? A. Software that manages computer hardware and provides basic services. Which of the following is not an operating system? B. Microsoft Office. What is the purpose of a device driver in an operating system? A. To connect hardware devices to the operating system. Which operating system is developed by Apple Inc.? A. Mac OS. What is the function of the kernel in an operating system? A. Core component that manages tasks and memory. Which file system is commonly used in Windows operating systems? A. NTFS. What is virtual memory in an operating system? A. Extension of computer's physical memory. Which operating system is open source and free to use? A. Linux. What is the role of the shell in an operating system? A. Interface for users to interact with the operating system. Which component of an operating system controls the allocation of resources to different programs? A. Scheduler. What does IP stand for in the context of the Internet? A. Internet Protocol. Which of the following is a popular web browser? B. Google Chrome. What does URL stand for? B. Uniform Resource Locator. What is the function of a router in a network? B. Connects different networks. Which protocol is commonly used for sending and receiving emails? A. SMTP. What is the purpose of DNS in networking? B. Converting domain names to IP addresses. What does LAN stand for? C. Local area network. Which of the following is not a type of network? C. MAN. What does VPN stand for? A. Virtual private network. What do the initials www stand for? A. World Wide Web. Which technology is often referred to as the Internet of Things? C. IoT. What is the main purpose of using virtual reality technology? A. Gaming. Which technology is used to create a digital ledger of transactions that are tamper-proof? C. Blockchain. What is the main advantage of using 3D printing technology? C. Customization. Which technology allows machines to learn from experience and perform tasks without explicit programming? C. Machine learning. Which technology enables secure online transactions without the need for a central authority? B. Cryptocurrency. What is the main application of drones in the futuristic tech industry? A. Delivery services. Which technology is used to enhance the real world with computer-generated sensory input? B. Augmented reality. What is the main purpose of using quantum computing technology? C. Complex problem solving. Which technology is used to create a decentralized and secure digital currency system? B. Blockchain.